Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 25th of August, 2021. Taking a look at Stellar here. It's been in a pretty good congestion zone for the most part, really going back to the 15th, so the last 10 days. We were looking at the Tenkan Sen as the primary support level. Now it's turned into the Kijun Sen, and this would be, if we close around here on the daily candlestick, this would be the second day in a row that we've closed in between the daily Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen. So what does that mean moving forward? There isn't really any major divergence like we just looked at with Cardano, really no major hidden or regular bearish divergence that exists. The divergence that would exist that we would like to see if we are a bull, I don't know, say we all the time because I'm part of an organization, but like I would like to see is hidden bullish divergence, and that would be, in this case, something that we have going on right now. So there's a series of lower lows in the composite index on the daily chart, but when you look at the price chart, we have these higher lows. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that we should expect it to like turn uber bullish like tomorrow, but we should know that Stellar compared to things like Tezos, Cardano, Polkadot, Polygon, and some others, Stellar has not had kind of one of those big secondary big breakouts yet. So it's not underperforming the market, but it's not overperforming the market. I mean, it was kind of leading back, in the middle of the month, but it's kind of tapered off since then. But it is poised for another big breakout. We're not. I mean, we're close to the zero line in the composite index, and so the signal to me that we could probably look at going long, at least on the daily chart, is two things. First, I need to see the percent B move above 0.8. All right. That's basically when you're starting to like tag the upper parts of the Bollinger Band. And then I need to see the composite index itself. The red line needs to cross above at least the fast moving average of the composite index. So the green moving average, that's the fast one. If it can cross above that. If those two things occur and the RSI is below like 65, that means any type of breakout move is likely to really, really hold its own and to continue higher. There's a high volume. I don't have the volume profile up on here, but there's a high volume node right here on the 382 Fib retracement. So really, once Stellar can break out above that, it's a pretty open space as far as the move from 40 cents to 68-ish, 70 cents is a pretty open move there. And that's what I think we should look at playing out. But because the lagging span is inside the cloud, all right, it's very likely that we would have to wait and we would consolidate for a further 5 days. So that would bring us over to the 30th. One day before the last day of August. That's what we should look at. So again, over the next 5 days, we could see really little movement. And then consequently, that lines up pretty closely with the Kumo twist. So if we're trading sideways until then, once the lagging span finally breaks out above the cloud, whether it breaks out above or it just slides out above, the Kumo twist is there to really lend price it's the lift it needs to have that confirmation move higher. We could see some really nice movement over the next 5 days. After the next 5 days, 5-6 days, that is. So we'll pay attention to that and update it as needed. From all this here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.